Hi and welcome back to Want Fixes. Today we're going to be fixing this brake light on a Hyundai Santa Fe. It's a white one. I've not changed the bulb on this before, so let's see how we have to do it. So it looks like it should be pretty straightforward. I think it's just a case of taking this out. Or maybe not. In that case, I reckon, don't know if you can see that down there, there's a couple, sorry about that, three fasteners, looks like. There we go. I'm guessing that's what releases the light so you can get to the back of it. So we'll have a look. So I reckon it's either an 8 or a 10. So let's have a look. What's we got here? We've got the 8mm socket. No, too small. There's the 10. And that one's just right. So, see if I can do this while holding onto the phone. Okay, that's then loosened off. I'm just going to cut it here because not waste your time watching me unscrew a couple of nuts. Okay, so they're off. Focuses. There we go. And it does appear that that is what? It does seem like it's loose now. Ish. So it's quite tricky because it seems like there's something holding it back here, but it is. I've seen it with fixings. Yeah, there we go. So it's just a 3 fixings, and it was that goes into there which seems to be causing a little bit of bother. Yeah, so the brake light is... take it out. Replace that. Just show you that bit there, which goes into that, which seems to get a little bit stuck in there, but it does just pull out with a lot of wiggling. Right, so we've got a bulb, let's give it a wipe. Now with a brake light, I don't think it's that important that you don't get grease from your fingertips on the bulb, but it's good practice. So we will place that in, it'll go in. There we go. In. It actually says on Well, I'll show you in a second. Actually shows you on the back which way to lock and unlock it. Then we'll just give it a clean up in there, and then we'll put it back on. Right, so before we reassemble it all, I'm just going to test the bulb. Yep. There we go. Yeah, that's good. When you tighten these nuts back up, you want to tighten push them where you put it in plastic that the screws are attached to. So just going to gently let it guide. Go. Put the cap back on. So the screws are back in. Stick the cap back on. Right-handed, so it doesn't work so easy. There we go.